Good morning guys, welcome to Videos Online Academy tutorial. Thanks for watching our videos online. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please do well to press the subscribe button and notification bell. Remember to see all of our educative videos online. Remember to share this video with your friends, families, relatives and colleagues at home. Thank you once again and God bless you. Today I'm going to be considering Jamb mathematics, specifically under the topic called binary operation. Binary operations. And here are the questions before us in order to practice what questions that might likely come under what binary operation. The question number 1 here says, if x operation y is equal to x plus y squared, find the value of open bracket 2 operation 3 bracket close operation 5. Then we are asked to calculate this value of 2 asterisk 3 into brackets asterisk 5. Now, using this definition, now we're talking about binary operation. Binary operation has to do with combining a root together in order to get another set of element. When you combine an element, two elements together using a particular root to obtain another set of elements entirely. That's what we call binary operation. You can see now we are given an element x with an asterisk operation y equal to x plus y squared. Find the value of 2 asterisk 3 inside bracket asterisk 5. Now, how do you go about this now? The first thing is to see, you can see the definition, which is the definition is x asterisk y equal to x plus y squared. Now this is the definition, and we are given we are given 2 open bracket 2 asterisk 3 bracket close asterisk 5. Now applying the rule of Bodmas, now we have to deal with the number in the bracket first. So we are dealing with the number in bracket first. We have to 2 asterisk 3 will be equal to, following this now, taking 2 to be our x and 3 to be our y. Following that definition, I'm going to have 2 plus 3 square. Now 2 plus 3 square will be 2 plus 9, which is equal to 11. So now that's that about the bracket. Now we now proceed. I haven't solved this one side bracket. Now say 11 now asterisk 5, the number which is outside the bracket. So it will be equal to, following the definition again, 11 plus 5 square, which is equal to 11 plus 25. 11 plus 25. 11 plus 25 will give you 36. You can see that's option A here. What you just need to do is to follow the definition given to you, and then apply the rule of Bodmas to solve the one in bracket first. Then you combine the results with the one outside the bracket to get your final answer, and the answer here is 36, option A. Now a binary operation, which is denoted with this sign, on a real number is defined by x with the operation y equal to xy plus x plus y. For two real number x and y, find the value of 3 operation minus 2 over 3. Now we are given that x operation y is given as xy plus x plus y for two real numbers. Now we are not asked to use this definition to solve 3 operation minus 2 over 3. So now how do you go about this? Following the definition, you can see that we are going to multiply y, taking this one as your x and this one as your y. So we are going to have xy, that is 3 multiplied by minus 2 over 3 plus x, which is 3 minus plus 3, then y now, y is plus into bracket. Now what's our y? Minus plus into bracket minus 2 over what? 3 bracket what? Close. Because of the sign minus, we have to put it in bracket to avoid any form of error. So this 3 cancel this 3 here. We are having what? Cancel this 3 here. We are having minus 2 left on this part plus 3 plus times minus is going to give you what? Minus what? 2 over 3. So now minus 2 plus 3 is going to give you what? 1. That is plus 1. Plus 1 minus 2 over 3 is going to give you what? 1 over what? 3. Final answer. So the option here is 1 over 3, which is option what? B. Option B. Option B. Now let's move to question number 3. Now the question number 3 says the operation asterisk, the binary operation asterisk is defined on the set of integers such that P asterisk Q is equal to PQ plus P minus Q. Now we are given that what? The operation P asterisk what? Q is given as what? PQ plus P minus what? Q. Now that's the operation given to us, and we are told that what? We should find the values. Find the values of 2 asterisk what? 3. That is into bracket of 2 asterisk open bracket 3 asterisk what? 4. We are asked to calculate this operation. And how do you go about this one? The first thing is to find the one in the bracket first. 3 what? 3 asterisk what? 4. Following the operation, we know that this P is our what? 3 and Q is our what? 4. So we have what? 3 multiplied by 4 because they are related. PQ is related by what? Multiplication. So 3 times 4 plus, that was our P, which is 3, minus our Q, which is what? 4. So what do we have here? We have 12 plus 3 minus 4, which is what? 15 minus 4, which is equal to 11. We have 11 here. So we have 11. The one inside the operation in the bracket gives us 11. So we will now say what? 2 now asterisk. Now everything in the bracket gives us 11. Will be asterisk 11 now. Asterisk 11. We now be equal to, now divide it with what? With the operation given to us by the definition given to us. So we have what? 2 multiplied by what? 11 plus 2. Taking this as P and this as Q. So 2 times 11, which is PQ, plus 2 plus what? Minus 11. Don't forget this definition. This P is what? 2. Then Q now is now what? 11. Please don't forget that this now are what? These are now P and Q. So 2 times 11 plus what? 2 minus Q now, which is what? 11 again, will be equal to what? 2 times 11 is what? 22. Now plus 2, making 24 minus 11. So we have what? We have 24 minus 11. So we have answer here is going to give us what? 13. The answer here is 13. Final answer is what? 13. Option what? B. Now let's move to the other question here. Question number 4. If the operation given to us is what? X asterisk what? Y equal to what? X plus 2y. X plus 2y. Now that's the operation given to us. We are asked to calculate what? Find the value of 2 open bracket 3 asterisk what? 4. It's also, they all seem similar, but you have to be careful with it. Solve the one in the bracket first. 3 asterisk what? 4. 3 asterisk what? 4 is equal to what? Following the definition and knowing that your x is 3, y is 4, we are going to have what? 3 plus 2 in the bracket what? 4, because our y is 4. So we are going to have what? We are going to have 3 plus, now 2 times 4 is what? 8. So we have 3 plus 8 equals to what? 11. Now it's now be what? 2 now asterisk the bracket, which is equal to what? 11 now. Is going to give us what? 2 plus 2 into bracket what? 11. Don't forget the what of the definition here. Our x here is 2. Our what? Our y now is 9, 11. So 2 in the bracket 11 now. So into bracket close. So we have 2 plus 2 times 11 is what? 22 equal to what? 22 plus what? 2 is going to give us what? 24. So the answer here is 24. We have 24 here. Option C. So that's that about question number 4. And the last question here says that if a binary operation is defined by what? X asterisk y equal to what? X raised to power y. X raised to power y. And if x asterisk what? 2 is equal to what? 12 minus x. Find the possible value of what? X. Find the possible value of x. Now, we are given that what? X asterisk y is equal to x raised to power y. So if x asterisk 2 is equal to 12 minus x, find the possible value of x. Now, we are going to follow this one and knowing fully well that what? X asterisk y is the same thing as what? X raised to power what? Y. Now, x asterisk 2 now will now be equal to what? X raised to power 2, because this is our x, this is our y. These are y here, these are x here. So we are going to be what? It's going to be what? X raised to power 2. So now, if x asterisk 2 is x raised to power 2 now, we can now equate this to this, equate this one to this one. So we have what? We have 12 minus x now equal to what? S squared. Now, because of this now, we can now what? We can now transfer everything here to the other side. You have to transfer it to the other side because this is where s squared is. We have positive s squared here. So we have what? Everything will now be equal to what? X squared. Now, when that one meets, when that one cross the bridge, it becomes plus what? X. And when 12 cross the bridge, it becomes what? Minus what? Minus 12 equal to what? 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. Now you have to solve it quadratically. Multiply the first term and the what? Third term together. So s squared times minus 12 is going to be what? Minus 12 s squared. So what are the two factors that when you add together? What are the two factors that when you add together, you have 1x, and when you multiply them together, we are going to have minus 12s squared. So look at this. When you look at the factors of 12, we have factors of 12. We have 1 times 12. We have 2 times what? 6. We have 3 times what? 4. The only one, 6 minus 2 will give you 4. 12 minus 1 will give you what? 11. But if you look at this one now, 4 minus 3 will give you what? 1. 4 minus 3 will give us what? 1. So it means that we can get 1s from 4 minus 3. So we rather use what? Plus what? 4x minus 3 what? X, because it's only two factors that can give us what we need. So we have x squared plus 4x minus 3x. We use the two factors to replace the what? The middle what? Term here. Minus 12 equal to 0. So what do we now have now? We have what? X open bracket, S open bracket. Now, okay. So what do we now have now? We have what? We have S open bracket, X plus 4 bracket close minus 3 into bracket what? X plus 4 as well. We are going to have the same thing in the bracket equal to what? 0. Now here we are going to have what? X minus 3 bracket close into bracket x plus 4 into bracket what? Close equal to what? 0. Now coming here now, we are going to open the bracket by saying x minus 3 equal to 0 or x minus 4. Okay, x minus 3 equal to 0, x plus 4 equal to what? 0. So definitely when you transfer this one to this one, it's become x equal to 0 plus 3. So x is going to be what? 3. 0 plus 3 will be what? When this one comes here, it becomes 0 plus 3 because of minus become plus when it crosses the what? The equality sign. Why this one become negative? So 0 minus what? 4. 0 minus 4 will now give you or s equal to minus 4. S equal to minus what? 4. So we have x equal to 3. Please note that x equal to 3 and s equal to minus what? 4. So that's our answer. Now the option is s equal to 3, s equal to what? Minus 4. So these are the two possible what? Values. So we have come to the end of today's class. We are going to be doing what? More subsequent what example on what? On binary operation based on Jamb what? Examination. So thank you for watching once again. Remember to press the subscribe button and the notification bell and to see our updates on this video tutorial. See you next time.